Hello everyone. This is Betty from TrueDoor Property Management, and today we are at 24490 via Lenardo in Yorba, Linda. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house with an office and a 3-car garage. So let's step inside and take a look. This is a beautiful, spacious home. So you enter here, you see the chandeliers, plantation shutters, nice large living room and entryway. Office is over here to the left with the built-in shelves. Kitchen's been upgraded with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. This home has tons of storage. Convection microwave oven, glass top stovetop, fireplace, central AC and heat, laminate wood floors throughout. Here's one of the storage closets here. Big hall bath here. The tub and shower combo. Has a laundry room with a sink that connects directly to the 3-car garage. This is the first bedroom. It is quite spacious. Both bedrooms do have mirrored closet doors and ceiling fans as well. Another closet here. And you have linen closets here, and then here is the large master bedroom. This master bedroom actually has 2 large closets with organizers in them, one right here in the bedroom itself, and then one in the master bath. Has a dual vanity in here with the large soaking tub and the shower. And it has the water closet right here. One of the great bonus features is that the backyard does have 2 access points. So here through the master bedroom, you can see it's a large backyard. Got a fire pit over here. It's nice, it's low maintenance. Got the built-in barbecue. Have a covered patio area. Great space for entertaining. And then it connects right here, right back to the living room, dining room area. So here you have it. This is 24490 via Lenardo in Yorba, Linda. If you're interested, please go to our website, www.truedoorpm.com. There you can see our 3D tour, you can look at our application, and ask us any questions. Thanks so much. Have a great day.